Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Branch, the art teacher. And I had so much fun making that other line sculpture. I decided let's take that paper, turn them into circle towers, and make another paper sculpture. So this one, we're going to actually use a lot of glue. And Miss Branch, you know, I do not a lot, just a dot. But this time, we're going to have to use a lot of glue so that it will really stick onto our cardboard, mainly because of making the towers tall. So let me go ahead and switch my pen so that we can get started. Let's see. All right. So pretty much we're just going to roll the paper into circles. We can cut it into strips. We can make them thick. We can make them thin. We can make them small or short, and we can make them tall. So it's totally up to you how you want to make your sculpture. And let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I'll try and get somewhere in there, but you can make as many as you want or as few as you want. Now, I still have some of my paper from the last project, Project 5. So I'm going to use some of those scraps because they gave me an interesting edge. So what I'm going to do is, this time I'm going to not a lot, just a dot at the end. And I'm going to spread that glue with my finger. And now I'm going to roll it up. And then when I get to the end, I'm going to hold it and do the slow count to 10. And if you still got some glue on your fingers, just remember, rub your fingers together and the glue will fall off. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. All right, so there's one ready to go. And this one where I cut a wavy line on. Let's see again. I'll put a dot. And I'm going to spread that dot all the way down to the top and bottom on that side. And you know what? I'm not going to roll it all the way up. I'm going to make it a wide one. So I'm just going to bring the edges together this time. And so now I'm going to hold it. And I can do the slow count. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Now I have 2 done. And let's see. I think I'll cut. I could just leave this one the same. That's from my scrap pile. Or do I want to make it smaller? Well, you know what? I'm gonna roll it up tighter, and then it'll be skinnier. Again, 1 dot, and then just spread the dot down both ends. You know what? If I put the dot at one end, then I could just go down one time instead of having to go back and forth. So let me roll this up. And now I'm going to hold it and count, slow count. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So now I have 3 tubes. Let's see, I can make this a tall tube. Let me see. I can just take this whole paper and make it a tall tube, like a paper towel roll. Now this one, I might have to do 2 dots, but let me test it. If I do 1 dot at the end, I'm gonna make this dot just a little bigger than normal. And then I'm gonna take my finger and just go all the way up, all the way down. Up, I ran out. Let's see if I can make it stretch, stretch, stretch. Ah. You might have to do 2 dots because I did almost run out of glue. And you know what? Because this is a weird shape, I'm gonna use the board to help hold it in place. And I'm gonna hold it down and I'm gonna do the slow count. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011. Oop, 1010. Oop. All right. So actually, it was in some of the glue was pull up, but I used the board to help me hold it closed because my hands weren't long enough to reach across the whole thing. Now I have 4 tubes. Well, let me cut this one. I don't want this one. Oh, that's big. And again, it doesn't have to be a straight line. I'm gonna cut this again. And that'll give me 3 tubes. So let's see. This one I'm just going to connect at the end, in the end. So there we go. I got there. And I bring the end and slow count. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. This one, I'm going to roll up a little tighter. I'm going to start over here and just roll it up really, really tight. All right, so I get different tubes, even though they're pretty much the same height, but they're different because of the way I rolled them up to make them different sizes. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. And this one, I'm gonna kind of do it like medium size. So again, I'm gonna roll it. Oh, I spread that dot with the glue nozzle. Huh. I probably should have been doing that instead of getting glue all over my hand. I'm not gonna roll it up as tight as this one, and I'm not gonna make it as loose as this one. So a little tighter, but not that tight and not that wide. I made 3 different sizes out of the same paper. I'm just gonna rub my finger with the to get the glue off. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and stop here. I have 7 different tubes. And now I get to play around. How do I want them? Do I want them all touching? Do I want them close? How do I want them on this paper, on my chipboard, my piece of cardboard? I kind of like the way I have them now. Now here comes the hard part. Miss Branch does not like to use a lot of glue, but this time we're going to have to. So I'm going to squeeze out a lot of glue, a line of glue, and then let it sit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm just going to let a line of glue come out and wrap it around the edge and put it on. This one's small, so it won't be that much glue. And I'm just going to make a line of glue around the edge. If it goes down on the sides, it's okay, because it'll, once you lay it back down, it'll gravity will make it come down and it'll help hold it in place. And so then a line of glue. That's a lot of glue. Oh, I don't like using a lot of glue. I think it's wasteful. Besides, as I told you earlier, glue is stronger when you use a little bit, but sometimes you have to use a lot. So there we have a paper roll sculpture. Let me switch my pen. So we have a paper roll sculpture, and I'm going to try and carefully lift it up because that tall one might fall. And it's going to take probably a whole day to dry with that much glue on it. So everyone, I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.